Hi! Guys, I'm so bored. So, we're going on ads! OMG, magkakamping ako mag-isa. I've been thinking about this kasi I'm a 21 years old guy na and di ko pa pala na-experience yun. So, I'm done going to the grocery store, book my food, and book for my reservation sa camp. And there's one thing na lang na hindi ko nagagawa. Yun ay mag-pack ng gamit ko. So, let's go! Nabili ko to sa Okay for only 140. And dito ako super excited. So, I bring extra for everything kasi I'm scared na baka magkulang ako sa bagay-bagay since it's my first time to camp. All that, I haven't been able to sleep kasi super na-excite ako sa mangyayari mamaya. So, I got ready at 3 AM. From Valenzuela, I'll be riding this long way para lang makarating sa campsite sa Tanay Rizal. First, I took a tricycle to get to the highway. Then, I took a bus to Monumento, survived that, and jumped on LRT1 to Dorte Jose. Then, I switched to LRT2 going to Antipolo. Suddenly, it felt like I was in Japan. Anyway, from Antipolo, I booked an cast. We're safe, so thank God. From Kogyo 2, I rode a jeep to Maisawa. Then one last tricycle up to the camp. Guys, oh my gosh, I'm here now. OMG, kinakabahan ako. Saan ako pupunta? Look. OMG. Ganda. So, mag-rent na ako ng tent, then i-organize ko na yung mga gamit ko. Their staff helped me to organize this tent, and he is so approachable and friendly. And I'm so thankful kasi I don't really know how to build a tent. And of course, I give him a tip because he deserves it. So now, this is my turn to really organize it. Kasi super gusto ko talaga mag-design ng sarili kong tent. Super init. Buti na lang malamig yung hangin. Kundi mamamatay ako sa init. I-organize ko na yung mga gamit ko. Ang cute pala mag-camping. Para lang ako naglalaro ng bahay-bahayan. Ito yung mga gamit na dinala ko. I have my food. Hindi to ice cream. Lalagyan ko lang to ng rice. Then I have my tumbler here, spoon and fork, plastic container, pang food ko. Then I have snacks. I also have my makeup here, tissues, flashlight, pan, then dalawang power bank and drink. This is my bag and andito yung mga clothes ko. Hindi ko na nilabas. And yung ayun, hindi ko alam kung nag-enjoy ba ako or pinaparusahan ko yung sarili ko kasi super init. Pero okay lang kasi kahit mainit, super ganda ng view. Then sabi ng guy kanina, super maganda daw dito mamayang gabi. So doon ako na-excite. And sa sunset, sunrise, and sa sea of clouds, OMG, yun yung pinaka gusto kong makita, ma-witness now. Sana lang meron. 10:18 na. And super aga pa, di ko na alam kung anong gagawin ko. So I decided to eat my lunch na lang kasi nagutom na pala ako. Hindi ko lang napansin sa sobrang init. So my food is hash brown, potatoes, and hotdog. And nagbaon talaga ako ng food kasi super gusto kong makatipid. And based on my research, sobrang mamahal ng meals nila here sa camp. So here I am, eating and saving. Am I not genius? So, nakatulog na ako then. Pagising ko, 1 o'clock pa lang. Super tagal ng oras here. Wala na ring init now. So, gusto ko mag-explore. Ow! I found this Mini Cooper with swings and nag-wait ako for almost 20 minutes. Kasi may tao kaninang naka-stay here. So, yay! It's my turn na. Kung meron lang akong gantong swing, then gantong view everyday, I think I'll be fine in life. Gusto ko nang yumaman, then bumili ng gantong place. Lord, payamanin mo na ako, please. And OMG guys, look, I found a spot. I actually wanna run, jump, and umikot-ikot sa sobrang saya nung nakita ko to. Kaso may mga tao around. So, naiya ako. Okay, super init na ulit. Babalik na ako sa tent ko. Aray. Swimming time. I decided to swim ng 5:30 PM para hindi na mainit. And super gusto kong maabutan yung sunset here. And OMG, super ganda ng pool nila here. But it's so cold. It feels like I'm dying. Sobrang lamig. This time, I can't move na kasi I'm freezing. So, one last swim para man lang masulit ko kahit na onti yung binayad ko. Ayoko na, nilalamig na ako. Guys, ang ganda ng tent nila. Bakit di ko naisip yun? Guys, so 10:02 na and kakagising ko lang. Nakatulog kasi ako kanina sa super pagod sa swimming. Then di ko na malayan na nakatulog ako. And look! Tada! I have coffee na. And now, nakain na ako ng dinner. Please, don't judge my ulam. Di ko alam kung bakit siya nadurog. OMG guys, super daming stars. Oh my gosh. This is the first time na makita ng ganito karaming stars. And super cool. Since I can explore na kasi it's so dark outside na and halos wala ng lights around, I decided to stay sa tent na lang and listen to my favorite music. Kasi this is what it makes me feel so alive. So, I will sleep na. Guys, good morning. It's 4:40 na and medyo nagliliwanag na kaso wala pa akong nakikitang sea of clouds. Hopefully makita ko siya kasi gumising pa ako ng maaga. I'm waiting for the sea of clouds to arrive kahit super nantok pa ako kasi I'm dying to see it ng sobra and medyo naiyak na ako kasi parang wala akong makita. Feeling ko ako palang yung gising dito sa aming lahat. Kasi look, wala akong nakikitang tao na sa labas ng camp. It's 5:49 na and lumabas na yung araw guys. Yun nakasad lang kasi hindi ko na witness yung sea of clouds. Pero okay lang. Baka di lang siya nakatadhana for me now. People always talk about how they wish they had done the things they love before time got away from them. I keep seeing it online, in conversations, in passing moments. And I don't wanna be one of them. I don't wanna grow old and realize I never gave myself a real chance. That's why I'm doing this now. I'm choosing to say yes to travel, to quiet moments alone, to long talks with the people I love, to chasing the version of life that feels most like me. I want to remember this part, this feeling, and know I lived it. So if you're watching this, I hope you find the strength to start, even if it's messy, even if it's terrifying. I know it is, believe me, I'm scared too. But here I am, at camp, by myself, and I'm okay. I'm more than okay. So do it scared. Do it for the younger version of you who used to dream about this. They are still in there, just waiting for you to try. And maybe, just maybe, in that small, brave moment, you will feel it too. The quiet kind of freedom that makes you feel like you're finally alive.